Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload PDFs to Claude Projects. So to start, open Claude AI and sign into your account. Now click Projects in the left sidebar. Now from here, open an existing project or create a new one by clicking New Project in the top right and type in your project name and your description and then click Create Project. So open your project. Now in the project, find the project knowledge or knowledge base section. Then hover over to Files in the bottom right. Then click the plus icon, or you can also drag and drop your PDF into the upload area. So click the plus icon, then click Upload from Device. Now select the PDF from your computer and wait for the upload to finish. Once uploaded, the PDF becomes part of the project's knowledge base and can be referenced across chats within that project. So start a new chat inside the project and ask Claude questions about the PDF, such as summarize this document, find the main points in chapter 3, etc. Then create a study guide from this PDF, something like that. So Claude projects are designed to keep uploaded files available across conversations, so you don't need to re-upload the PDF every time you start a new chat in the same project. So support document formats generally include PDF, document, text, CSV, and several others. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.